Good afternoon everyone, my name is Tuhindia Burma. I have completed my postgraduate from TRIPURA University in Master of Commerce specialization in Finance. When was the Advisory Council constituted to aid and advise the first Chief Commissioner of TRIPURA, Mr. R.K. Roy, in 14 April 1953? Who were the members of the Advisory Council which was constituted on 14 April 1953? Answer is Sri Sajendralal Singha, Sri Sukumoy Sengupta and Sri Jajendra Dev Burman. In which year an electoral college of 30 members was constituted through election 9 January 1952. In which year the 30-member TRIPURA Council TTC was formed 1956. Under which Act of Parliament TRIPURA Territorial Council was constituted? Territorial Council Act 1956. When was the first election to the TRIPURA Territorial Council held? March 1957. Who became the chairman of the first TRIPURA Territorial Council? Sri Sajendra Singha and of Congress Party. When was the second election of TTC, TRIPURA Territorial Council, held? February 1962. Who became the chairman of the second election to the TTC, TRIPURA Territorial Council? Sri Sajendralal Singha. In which year Parliament passed the Government of Union Territories Act 1963? In which year the TTC, TRIPURA Territorial Council, was promoted to the status of Legislative Assembly 5th July 1963. Thank you.